It is Tuesday, January 23rd. Today, this is something we got in, last year maybe even longer. ChiaoGoo came out with a brand new set of interchangeable needles back then called Forte. And they sold like hotcakes. They were out and gone. They were expensive. And then people started complaining that they were breaking, and so there was some faulty construction. So they took them off the market, and it has been a quiet time, but they have returned in a special edition interchangeable set. This box is, you know how I am about a box. This is a serious box. So it is the ChiaoGoo Forte set, special edition. And this is what's on the inside. This beautiful, I'm sure faux leather, but still stunning, gray zip pouch. And the construction is completely different, how they're made. They are now, they look like stainless steel and carbon with these stainless points, which are awesome. And it is a full set, all the way from a 15 down to a 2, from a 2 to a 15. It's a huge set. Also in here is a stunning pen, right, for all your notes. Beautiful pair of scissors. This is a little container that has all your markers and stitch stoppers and adjusters, how to, tighten your cords. Thank you. That word was gone. This is a measuring tape, which is great. A needle gauge. And in here are all, in here are all of your, cords. Now, remember, this is a ChiaoGoo set, so it's not interchangeable with Knitter's Pride, but it is absolutely gorgeous. And now I know you want to know what the price is. Well, it has definitely gone up. This set is $425. I'm sure worth every penny. They seem to have copied the Knitter's Pride Carbons, which is the stainless steel tip and the carbon shaft. Those really are my favorite needles, so this could very well be a new spectacular set of needles. It certainly looks the part. It is gorgeous. Let me show it to you one more time. You can put it on your wish list, start saving your money. We can order whatever you need. We only have one set in stock right now for sale. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Pretty nice. Get your Valentine's Day's coming up, right? Send him in, or her, whatever. It'll be great. Gloomy day today, but not freezing cold, not terribly freezing cold, so that was a positive. I really don't. We've been busy. Ray had her knit along today. Everybody loves to come to that. So we had a crowd. It was good. No complaints. I think that's all I have for today. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Don't forget, we have social knitting tomorrow night from 5 to 7. And there'll be a crowd there too, I'm sure. All right. I will see you tomorrow.